Good morning, children. Children, what time did you get up today? Yes, some of you got up at 6:30, some of you at 7 o'clock, isn't it? Some at 7:30 and so on. And usually what time your school would start? It would start at 9:30 and it would get over at 4 o'clock in the evening. And in the afternoon, you would have lunch break at 1:15, isn't it? So today we will learn about time. Now this is a railway station, a platform of the railway station. Now on the counter you can see it is 22:45 hours. Now here you can see a brother and sister standing on the platform. Now the sister, she sees the time in her brother's wristwatch. So what time it was showing? It was showing 10:45. Now what is the difference between this 22:45 and 10:45? Now 22:45, it is a railway timing. Okay. Now and 10:45 is 12 hours timing. Railway timing means it is 24 hours timing and 12 hours is what we normally use. Now 24 hours timing is framed only for trains and aeroplanes. Okay. Now here you can see the chart of 24 hours clock. Now in the inner part of the clock, there are numbers from 1 to 12, that which we normally use our time. And the outer circle of the clock, for 1 it is 13, for 2 it is 14, for 3 it is 15, and it goes on. Okay, so now in the afternoon after 12 o'clock, it is 1 o'clock, but as in railway timings they don't say 1 o'clock, they say 13 hours, and for 2 o'clock they say 14 hours, 3 o'clock 15 hours, and so on it goes to 11 o'clock it is 23 hours, and 12 o'clock it is 0 hour, because you are going to start a fresh day from 12 o'clock onwards. Okay, so now whatever timing we see from 12 o'clock till mid of afternoon 12 o'clock, we write as AM, that is ante-meridian. Okay, and then after 12 o'clock, from 1 o'clock onwards, we write it as post-meridian, that is PM. Now, how to make out the timing of railway timing and normal 12 hours timing? Now, if the time is above 12 o'clock, that is 13, 14, 15 hours they say in the railway timing. So that time what you have to do is you have to subtract our normal timing by 12. So, and the remaining time it should be written as PM. Okay. Then the time below 12 hours it should be written as AM. Now here you have got a chart which shows 24 hours clock time and 12 hours clock time. Now here in 24 hours clock time, it is 0 hour, that is 24 hours, and here it is 0 hour, that is 12 hours. Okay. Now here we have 1 AM, 2 AM, 11 AM and so on in 12 hours. Then in the afternoon it is 12 hours. We don't say AM or PM. Okay, we say 12 hours. Then after 12 we have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So we say for that PM, that is post meridian, till 11 PM. Then midnight we say it is 12 hours, or we call it as midnight. But whereas in 24 hours clock, okay, 1 hour, 2 hours it is normal timing. Then 11 hours, 12 hours, that is after 12 it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, they say 13 hours, 14 hours, and they go on till 23 hours, that is till midnight 11 o'clock, and then midnight 12 it is 24 hours. Now here we will convert the time, 24 hours time, to 12 hours time. Okay. Now the question is, 20 20. That is 20 hours 20 minutes. Now we will convert it into 24 hours. Okay, now this problem, this has got more than 12 hours. That is 20 hours has got more than 12 hours. So what you are going to do here is you are going to minus 12 hours. So that is 20 20. That is 20 hours 20 minutes minus 12 hours. So when you minus it, you will get 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, and then here 20 minus 12 you will get it as 8. So what is the time now when you convert it? It is 8:20 p.m. Now convert 24 hours clock time to 12 hours clock time. It is 10:45. Now this 10:45, it is less than 12 hours. Okay, so it will be written as 10:45 a.m. only. Now you have to tell whether it is a.m. or p.m. in this hours. Now 10:15 in the morning, you will say it as 10:15 a.m. 8:10 at night, you will say as 8:10 p.m. 1:45 in the afternoon, you will say as 1:45 p.m. 4:30 in the morning, you will say 4:30 a.m. 9:45 night, you will say 9:45 p.m. 5:35 in the evening, you will say 5:35 p.m. Okay, now here you will learn the standard units of time. Okay, now 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours makes 1 day. 7 days makes 1 week. 30 or 31 days is 1 month, excluding February, because in the month of February you have 28 days. Then 12 months is equal to 1 year, and 365 days is equal to 1 year. Now in the month of February there are 28 days, and after 4 years in February there are 29 days. So this year, the year in which there are 29 days, it is called as a leap year. Now we will add the timings. So the question is 2 hours 20 minutes and 3 hours 30 minutes. So here we are adding 2 hours 20 minutes, 3 hours 30 minutes. So first we'll add the minutes. So 20 plus 30 is 50 minutes. 2 plus 3 hours is equal to 5 hours. So the answer is 5 hours 50 minutes. That is 3 hours 50 minutes 30 seconds to 2 hours 15 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, now we have put in columns, that is 3 hours 2 hours plus 50 minutes 15 minutes plus 30 seconds 50 seconds. Now first we will add the seconds. So 30 seconds plus 50 seconds is equal to 80 seconds. Now 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 80 seconds you are going to make it into 1 minute plus this remaining will be the second. So 80, when you remove 60 seconds, it will become 1 minute plus 20 seconds. That is 1 minute plus 20 seconds. So here you will add, when you add 30 seconds plus 50 seconds, it will be 20 seconds, and you are going to carry 1 minute in minute section. So now here we have 1 minute plus 50 minutes plus 15 minutes, that when you add it you will get 66 minutes. So now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now this 66 minutes you are going to separate it into 1 hour and minutes. So you will get 60 minutes plus 60 minutes. So which is equal to 1 hour plus 6 minutes. Now here you will add them. So when you add them, you will get 6 minutes and you are going to carry 1 hour in hours column. So now here it is 1 hour plus 3 hours plus 2 hours, which is equal to 6 hours. So the answer is 6 hours, 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Now we'll move on to the next sum. 3 years, 8 months plus 2 years, 7 months. Now we'll add the months. Okay. Now 1 year is equal to 12. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Now 15 months, what you are going to do is, you are going to make it into, separate them, or you will get 12 months plus 3 months. So 12 months is equal to 1 year plus 3 months. So when you add, you will get, when you add 8 plus 7 months, you will get 3 months, and 1 year you are going to carry in the years column. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6 years. So the answer is 6 years, 3 months. Now here we will subtract them. Okay. 2 hours 20 minutes from 5 hours 30 minutes. So you have to put the 5 hours 30 minutes on the top, and then you will subtract 2 hours 20 minutes from it. Okay. So when you minus, this is a simple subtraction sum. So when you minus, first you will minus minutes. So 30 minus 20, you will get 10 minutes. 5 minus 2, you will get 3 hours. So it is 3 hours 10 minutes. Now here 3 hours 45 minutes from 6 hours 15 minutes. So 6 hours 15 minutes you write on top, and 3 hours 45 minutes you write at the bottom. Now we will minus first the minutes section. Now from 6 hours you will give 1 hour to minutes section. That is 60 minutes you are going to give. So 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. So it will become 45 minutes. Okay, now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. How much it will become? It will become 75 minutes minus 45 minutes. So how much you will get? Yes, 30 minutes. So you will write in the minutes column 30 minutes. Now 5 hours minus 3 hours is equal to 2 hours. So the answer is 2 hours 30 minutes. Now next one, 4 years 9 months, 7 from 7 years 7 months. You are going to subtract them. So 7 years 7 months you will put it on the top, and 4 years 9 months you will put it in the bottom section. Now you cannot minus 7 months from 9 months. So what you will do is, from the year you will take 1 year, that is equal to 12 months. So what is 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 12 months plus 7 months minus the 9 months. So 12 minus 12 plus 7 you will get it 19. 19 minus 9 months you will get 10 months. So 10 months you will write it in the months column, and then 6 minus 4 you will get 2. So the answer is 2 years 10 months. Now we'll solve some problems. Now a worker enters the factory at 6:15 a.m. He finishes his work and leaves the factory at 12 p.m. So for how many hours he has worked in the factory? So you have to find out the how many hours he has worked. So what time he enters the factory? Yes, in the morning at 6:15 he enters, and in the afternoon at 2:15 he leaves the factory. Now first you have to convert 2:15 p.m. to 24 hours clock timing. Okay, so 215 is equal plus 12 hours. Okay, so when you add them, you will get 14, 15 hours. Now you have to subtract 6 hours 15 minutes from 14 hours 15 minutes. So 15 minus 15 is 0. 14 minus 6 is 8. So he works in the factory for 8 hours. Now the school is closed for summer holidays from 11th April and it reopens on 31st of May. So how many days the school was closed for summer vacation? Now number of days closed for school is from April 11th to April 30th is how many days? When you calculate it, it comes to 20 days. Now here you can see from April 11, that is one day, April 12th, second day, and it goes on. So how many days it becomes? It becomes till April 30th, it is 20 days. Then you have from May 1st to May 30th. So you have 30 days then. So April month it is 20 days and May month it is 30 days. Now here we will add this. So 20 plus 30 is 50 days. So the school was closed for summer vacation for total is 50 days. Now here's the next problem. Sham comes to his office at 9 a.m. He works for 8 hours in the office and you have to calculate now how many hours he works and what time he leaves the office. So the starting time for Sham to come to the office is 9 o'clock. He works for 8 hours. So 9 plus 8. So how much it becomes? 17 hours. Now this 17 hours is more than 12 hours. So what you are going to do is you are going to minus it. So 17 hours minus 12 hours, you will get 5 hours. So Sham, he leaves the office at 5 p.m. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Mahesh spends his 15 days holiday in his uncle's place. That is from 3rd November 2011. Okay. And then on which day does he leave his uncle's place? So number of days he stays in his uncle's house is for 15 days. And the day he starts living in his uncle's house is 30/11/2011. Now we have to find out the date which he leaves his uncle's place. So you have to add 15 days for that. So the first day is 30/11/2011. Then second day 1/12/2011 and it goes on up to 15 days. Now which is the 15th day? It is 14/12/2011. So Mahesh leaves his uncle's place on 14/12/2011. Thank you.